Our first move today is a burpee. You're gonna jump at the top into a plank, do a push-up, jump your hands back to your feet and jump up again. You can do a jumping jack at the top. I prefer to just do a jump like that. So here's another view. If you can't do a push-up, that's totally fine. Here we have some wipers. It's a great core exercise. You wanna make sure you're using your core to rotate your body. You have your arms on the side for some stability. You can do it with your legs fully out. Bent is a little bit easier, and then fully out is gonna be a little bit harder. Nice and slowly. We have a seal jack, which is kind of similar to a jumping jack, but you're acting like a seal. So here's a high plank with an around the world. I love this exercise. You're gonna get into your high plank. You're gonna draw a big circle with your knee. Try not to let your hips sink down while you're doing this. Also remember to be tightening your core. Here's a skier. We've done these a few times. You can do it without the top down if you prefer that. So here's me going in slow-mo for you, but that's totally fine too. And then we have a swimmer crunch. So you wanna make sure your arms are staying aligned with your head. I have terrible mobility in my shoulders, so I had a hard time with that, but you're gonna alternate legs, bring it up to your knee, or alternate knees, bring it up to your hands. Let's do it.